Unseen. Woke up to the noise of the world at war, but in this house it's blocks on the floor. The headlines scream, but my baby laughs, and somehow that's enough to hold me back. They don't see me, this tired face, wiping tears while I fold the grace of tiny clothes and big emotions, while the world spins in slow explosions. They say I'm just a mom, just one more name, but they don't know the fire behind this flame. I'm the calm in a storm they'll never feel, building castles out of meals and wheels. I'm unseen, but I'm still here. In the silence I draw them near. Every hug, every tear is the story they'll remember clear. I don't need the world to know my name when their laughter runs through my veins. This love, it's raw, it's real, unseen, but it's all I need. I scroll through screens that don't reflect the sacred mess, the daily wreck of sticky fingers and midnight cries, of holding dreams behind tired eyes. No brunch dates, no calls returned, just lessons taught and cookies burned. But in the cracks we sing and dance, and I find peace in a second chance. They see the war but not this fight, to raise them strong, to raise them right. I carry burdens they'll never know, and plant the seeds I'll never show. I'm unseen, but I'm still here. In the silence I draw them near. Every hug, every tear is the story they'll remember clear. I don't need the world to know my name when their laughter runs through my veins. This love, it's raw, it's real, unseen, but it's all I need. Some days I break, some days I rise, but in their eyes I'm paradise. They don't need perfect, just my heart, and that's the bravest kind of art. I'm unseen, but I'm still here. A quiet voice they'll always hear. In their joy, in their fears, my love will echo through the years. Let the world spin loud and blind. I found the gold they'll never find. This life, it's wild, it's real, unseen, but I was born to feel unseen, but always near, in the love that brought me here.